In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Revolut to PayPal. This process currently works best through a web browser, not the PayPal app. So you'll want to use a browser on your phone or computer. Open your browser, go to paypal.com, and sign into your account. Once you're in, scroll down the home screen until you see your PayPal balance. Click Transfer Money. Under the Money In section, you'll see two options: add money to your balance and instantly top up using iDeal. Which one you use depends on what's available in your country. If you see the instant top up using iDeal option, that's the easiest route. Select it, choose Revolut as your bank, and follow the prompts. You'll be redirected to complete the payment through Revolut. This method is straightforward and typically fast, but it won't appear for everyone as availability varies by region. If that option isn't there, choose Add Money to your balance instead. PayPal will display bank transfer details such as the IBAN and the recipient name. These details can vary depending on your account and location, so make sure you're looking at the information shown in your own PayPal profile. Before you move on, double check that the name on your Revolut account matches the name on your PayPal account exactly. PayPal may reject transfers where the sender name doesn't match, so it's worth confirming this now to avoid delays. Now open the Revolut app, tap Payments at the bottom, then tap New in the top right corner. Choose Bank Transfer, enter the bank details provided by PayPal exactly as shown. In most cases, you won't need to enter a bank address, but the IBAN and the recipient name must be accurate. Proceed with the transfer when you're ready. A helpful tip is to start with a small test amount. This lets you confirm everything is set up correctly. Once the test amount arrives in your PayPal balance, you can send the remaining amount with confidence. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days, depending on your bank and region, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If your Revolut balance is in a different currency than your PayPal balance, be aware that PayPal may apply a currency conversion when the funds arrive. That's normal, but it's good to know ahead of time, and that's how you can send money from Revolut to PayPal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.